Students, as we already have discussed about light and shadows, now let's talk about something very interesting. All of us know about camera. We often click picture with it, but we can also make a very simple camera, and that is a pinhole camera. And this is as simple as you can make it yourself. So what is a pinhole camera? Camera with a single teeny hole. जैसा कि नेम से ही आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो, यह एक ऐसा कैमरा है जिसमें छोटा सा होल होता है. इट इज़ अ सिंपल ऑप्टिकल डिवाइस दैट फॉर्म्स एन इन्वर्टेड इमेज विदाउट यूजिंग अ लेंस और अ मिरर. एक ऐसी डिवाइस है जो विदाउट लेंस या मिरर के किसी भी पिक्चर की इन्वर्टेड इमेज यानी कि उल्टा प्रतिबिंब, उल्टी इमेज बनाती है. एज इट इज़ मेंशन हेयर, this is tree, okay, and this is box. It is a pinhole camera which is completely dark from inside except one tiny hole. And why this box should be dark? Because when you look through this hole, this given hole, the light image of the object will enter this hole and it will create an inverted image. Okay, as you can see, this is inverted image. Okay, an opposite face of tree will be created here. Now if you want to construct a pinhole camera, then it is very simple to construct it also. Okay, so now let's see the making of pinhole camera. It is very simple. Okay, it can be made with simple materials and can be used to image the sun and brightly lit objects. ये बनाने में बहुत ही सिंपल है और इससे हम सन को या लाइट ब्राइटनेस वाले ऑब्जेक्ट्स को आसानी से देख सकते हैं. सो इसे बनाने के लिए जो फर्स्ट थिंग रिक्वायर्ड होती है, दैट इज़ एन एम्प्टी बॉक्स विच शुड बी इन द शेप ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. एक क्यूबॉइड शेप का बॉक्स. वन साइड ऑफ दिस बॉक्स शुड बी ओपन. ओके, एज इट इज़ मेंशन, इट शुड बी ओपन. ऑन द क्लोज साइड, दिस इज क्लोज साइड. Okay, on the close side you can make a teeny hole. This is a teeny hole. Now you will have to take another box, but it should be slightly smaller than the previous one. It should be smaller than the first one and it should be fixed and move easily in the bigger box. Okay, जो पहला बॉक्स है इसमें वो फिक्स होना चाहिए और easily हम इसको आसानी से स्लाइटली हम इसको एडजस्ट भी कर सकें. Now on the close side of this box, this second box, the close side of the second box, cut a rectangular window and place a trace paper. You can use oily paper or transparent sheet we can use here. Now put this smaller box inside the bigger box and adjust the smaller box to see the image. Okay, this box should be fixed inside the bigger box. Okay, so this is overall, this is the making of pinhole camera. Now remember the concept of this camera. As we have already mentioned, this is the open side and when light enters in the box, then from here, this side, you can adjust the focus of the smaller box to see the image properly and you will get an inverted image of the object. Okay, as you can see, this is a ship and we are getting the inverted image of the ship in this camera. Okay, so this is the concept of the pinhole camera. Now अगर हम pinhole camera को नेचर के एग्जाम्पल से देखें, so this is the best example. When a tree is covered with a large number of leaves, then sometime a very small gap of the size of pinhole is formed within the two leaves. Then a large number of natural pinhole are formed by the overlapping of leaves. And these gaps are teeny pinhole which are made by leaves. Okay, this is the natural example of pinhole camera. Okay, as you can see on this road there are some drops, white drops you can see, and these are nothing but these are sunlights. Okay, and the tree has covered, the tree leaves have covered all the things, so that's why from the gap the sunlight is directly coming on the road. So we can take it as an example of pinhole camera, and this is the natural example. Okay, so this was all about a pinhole camera. In next video we will talk about mirror and reflection.